I think at Joe Gibbs Racing, you know, we've been here really 17 years now, and I think from the outside looking in, it looks like all we do is just race cars. But it's kind of like any business across America. We build teams.
My whole life has just really been about picking people, putting them on a team, and getting them to accomplish a common goal.
We started out with just a handful of guys. Today we have a suite of engineers and we have a manufacturing complex. For these groups to be able to work together seamlessly, we use the Teamcenter software package. We also use the NX in programming, and we also use the design package in the Siemens product line.
We've been able to hire a lot of technical expertise in different areas, be it finite element analysis or manufacturing. Using the NX manufacturing tools has been a big deal for us. And you know, we've gone from you know, having 70 individual part numbers in 2001 to almost 2,700 so far this year.
We're designing more and more parts every year. We've increased staff in the engine department to remain competitive and find every little bit of that little window that NASCAR gives us to design in, and Siemens PLM NX software, especially Teamcenter, helps us all remain on the same page and get that job done.
With the car tomorrow and other rules that NASCAR is implementing, they're taking away a lot of the areas that we've worked on in the past. The box is getting a lot smaller, so we have to start looking in smaller areas into more detail of everything that we do. Before you could go to the racetrack and make a lot of changes, do a lot of things manually, actually physically do the testing. NASCAR's limited that so much over the period of time, the last few years, that you know, going in and having good data acquisition systems on the cars and taking that data and being able to go through it and finding areas that help the cars go faster has become a much bigger part of what we do today. In the car tomorrow, you know, this lends itself to needing that data more importantly than we ever have had in the past.
Probably 18 months ago, we switched to NX and using Teamcenter, and that's, you know, been a big step for us. It's got everybody on the same platform. We've been able to take advantage of all the training and send a lot of people to training. So, you know, I think we have a larger user community here now that has really grown together with the NX software, and it just seems to be working very well for our organization right now.
Siemens PLM didn't just bring the software here and load it up and leave. The company came on board with its technical expertise, which allowed us to not have to reinvent the wheel again. They came on board, held our hand all the way through the process, supported us through the process, and showed us the best use of the products, and which got us from startup to the level where we're at today. And so the point there is it's just not a business transaction. It's a partnership where they've come in and supported us through the whole endeavor.
That's what I mean by long-term relationships, and I think we have that with Siemens. They definitely benefit us. It's a huge part of what we do down here. There's a huge technical side to what we do that they're a big part of, and hopefully we do the same thing for them. We benefit them.
One of the great things about the relationship we have with Siemens PLM is that, you know, when we have issues or we need information regarding what the best way to configure the software, we've been able to get that support and that help. And you know, we've taken advantage of a lot of the tools and the people. I think a lot of it boils down to the personal relationships that we have with the people.
I think for us, working with the guys, really the Siemens PLM software group, they really get what we do. They understand how difficult, how quickly we have to make decisions, and they fit in well with our guys, which isn't easy. We got some crazy guys, but they love what they do, and so I think when you get the Joe Gibbs Racing guys along with the Siemens PLM software group, they really help solve a lot of our problems, and our guys have really grown to appreciate that over the years.